Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I believe that that is a 12 by 12. Yes, it is. And that is some leftover black and Meeden black and Decor America 24 karat gold. And I think I'm going to put some Baltic amber in there that's mixed with vivid polypore from Colour Arte. You should be able to find something underneath the video. And some pink diamond. Also a Prism Pour, some African violet, which I'm going to be very sorry to say is almost gone. Probably going to put some more Meeden black in there. I'm going to put a little frozen in there. I don't usually do cups like this. I just got some today and I'm going to have some fun playing with them. I want that to go back on there. I've got some water dragon. That is going to go back on there. I have some Aztec, no, I have some Mayan gold. And let's use a little bit of the Meeden black. And I think my inclination is to use the Artist Loft white and a puddle. Although it's looking pretty thick. Throw a little bit more of that Baltic amber right on top. I saw that lump fall. Should be interesting trying to get this to flow out because it's pretty thick stuff. I'll just let that go. Grab some more Meeden black. Because paint will flow to paint. I think I'm going to hit that really quickly with a torch. Just to help the initial bubbles that I see. What have I got? I've got Anita's White Metallic. Good thing there's GAC 800 by Golden and everything. I have another light. I should probably have turned it on. I want something in that. This is a fiery red from Arteza that's been around a very long time. And it's just about to be called done. I keep doing things with red spots. My inclination is to swipe that out. But I'd like to try and tip it first. Hopefully I don't lose all that beautiful pink color at the bottom, but I suppose the truth is I can add it back if I want to. And I could certainly whip through there with some Amsterdam White and Aussie Floetrol cell activator and probably get something pretty decent. I wonder what this will do. I'd like to just add enough paint down there so it flows down. I am thinking that I would like some pink diamond, and I have more Baltic amber. And if there was ever a time to swipe something, now would be it. I think the purple is what I want. Let's start with the white anyway. Let's do it again. Kind of want some gold in there. Feeling a little bit like a comb would be a good idea. I've done these before and I like them. And I had a comb here very recently. That will work. And that just makes me want more pink diamond. And more white. And maybe more purple. And then throw that in the bucket. Find an edge catcher. Pull it apart. Take the paint that goes over, move it down so it covers everything. I got some great colors in there, and use it to cover the next section too. Come on, you can do it. That's covered also. This is turning out to be pretty cool. I'm going to scrape it right up. It looks celestial, but a lot of things look celestial to me. So I hardly care if the edges aren't something spectacular, because obviously I've got gray there now. But but I'm almost all covered, and I will be torching to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I will tell you guys I have over 2,300 videos, and it's time for dinner in 10 minutes, which leaves me like, okay, 13 minutes. That leaves me like 3 minutes to clean up, which is probably not enough. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. There we go. I got the color I want to go over the side, and I'm going to push it right up there. And anything else that I've got is going to become edge fodder, especially where I stuck my finger. Okay, that's pretty awesome. I love that. Not sure about the white. But now it sort of blends in. Do I need anything else? That's a good question. Probably a quick torch. Tell you guys I love you. Maybe a straw. I'm losing all my light though. I just want some more interest up there. I like the scalloped edge. Not really sure about that white, but I am liking my colors, which means this one's a good one to keep. Or I could use a toothy tool tomorrow. Alright, so I love you guys. Thanks for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you're looking for the PayPal opportunity, it's on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. Also to be found on the link tree where you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups. I want to go turn another light on so you can see that better. That's really kind of sad that I'm not able to show that to you better. I'll zoom in a second. Really, really nice cells. That was a going with the flow experiment. I had paint I wanted to use, and I did it. Oh, there's so much reflection there now. I'm so sorry about that. Anyway, what was I telling you? Thank you. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link on the link tree. If you shop starting at my Amazon link, anything you buy on Amazon will help me out. Tiny little increments, and I appreciate that. My paint pouring recipe is below show more. My email address is below the link tree. The promo code for Colour Arte products is right below the video. Spring clothing is also below the video. If you click on any one of those items, and there might only be one left, you'll find a whole lot of them on the other side of that. If you can't find what you're looking for, and you've looked at Spring and Le Gallerist and Society 6 and Pixels.com and Find It America to see what's there, then you can ask me to add something to one of those places, and I will do my best. Please like and share my videos. A thumbs up cheers me up, and it helps my YouTube channel. If you watch my videos longer, that's the biggest, most important thing. The sooner you watch it when they air, which is sometime around noon Eastern Standard Time, 12:15 lately, the more important that is. If you watch the commercials, you help me buy art supplies, eventually, maybe. And I really appreciate you guys being here. I'm here 7 days a week. Don't forget I have 2,300 videos, and they are organized by topic and genre, and this is beautiful. And the more I look at it, the more I like it, and I so wish you could see it like I can see it without the reflection of the lights from my studio, but it's winter, or almost winter, and it's, I'll try one more light out. Maybe that'll help. No, that didn't help. Darn! Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm going to give it one more shot, and then I'm going to call it good. And maybe that'll work. I will see you anon. Oh, that did work. Cool. Let's go in one more time. There's a lot going on in there. All right. Take care of each other. I said that already. Bye for now. Priscilla out.